Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you. Welcome, BSc second year students. Previous lecture we had discussed partial differential equation definitions, some methods of partial differential equations, and Lagrange's linear equations and working rule. Now I have repeat working rule, some steps explain. Write down at the auxiliary equation. We know that auxiliary equation dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. This is the auxiliary equation. सेकंड स्टेप सॉल्व द अबव ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन. हा इक्वेशन आपल्याला काय करते सॉल्व करायचं आहे. लेट द टू सोल्युशन बी यू इज इक्वल टू C1 अँड व्ही इज इक्वल टू C2. ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन सॉल्व केल्यानंतर C1 C2 ची व्हॅल्यू आणि यू म्हणजे कोणती कशाची यू आणि व्ही ची व्हॅल्यू भेटते आपल्याला. त्या यू आणि व्ही ची व्हॅल्यू कशा ठेवायचं आपल्याला. देन f of u comma v is equal to 0 or u is equal to phi of v is the required solution of Lagrange's linear equations. That means pp plus q capital Q small q is equal to capital R. Dear students, example number 6. बघा, solve the following partial differential equation. Equation is yq is equal to xp is equal to z. Yq minus xp is equal to z. We know the p and q value. P is equal to dou z by dou x and q is equal to dou z by dou y. Solution, your equation is yq minus xp is equal to z. Here the auxiliary equation are dou z. ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन काय आहे dx बाय p म्हणजे p ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन आहे आणि ह्या एक्झाम्पल्समध्ये p ची व्हॅल्यू काय -x आहे. ओके. आणि dou z बाय dou y बाय q, y ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे तर y is equal to dou z by z. Put the auxiliary equation, the value dx by p ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे -q is equal to minus x is equal to dy by y is equal to dz by z. Here the solution are dx by -x is equal to minus log x is equal to dy by y is equal to log y minus dz by z is equal to minus log a. From first two equation is xy is equal to a, and from last two equation means log y is equal to log z plus log b, means y by z is equal to b. This is the first equation and this is the second. A is equal to xy, first equation. B is equal to y by z, second equations. From equation first and second, hence the solution is f of, we know the third steps required solution, f of u comma v. Here u is equal to xy and v is equal to व्हॅल्यू काय ह्याच्यात म्हणजे a is equal to म्हणजे काय u and b is equal to काय v. a ची व्हॅल्यू काय xy and b ची व्हॅल्यू y by z. Hence the solution is f of u is equal to xy minus comma v is equal to y by z is equal to 0. This is the required solution. Now next example number 7. Solve y square p minus xyq is equal to x of z minus 2y. Now solution, ह्या इक्वेशन्स मध्ये आपला लॅग्रेंजेस लिनियर ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन काय आहे dx बाय p and dy बाय q and dz बाय r. ठीक आहे. ह्या ठिकाणी p ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे y स्क्वेअर, क्यूची व्हॅल्यू कुठे आहे, किती आहे, मायनस एक्स वाय, आणि आरची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे, एक्स ऑफ झेड मायनस 2y. ठीक आहे. ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशनमध्ये हे व्हॅल्यू पुट करू आपण. द ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन आर dx by y square is equal to dy by x minus xy is equal to dz by x of z minus 2y. Consider first two members of the equation. पहिले दोन मेंबर घ्या. dx by y square is equal to dy by minus xy. That means dy by y is equal to dy by minus x, or x dx is equal to minus y dy. Integrating x square by 2 is equal to minus 2y square by 2 plus c1 by 2. Therefore x square plus y square is equal to c1. This is equation second. c1 is equal to x square plus y square. फ्रॉम लास्ट टू इक्वेशन्स, पहिले टू इक्वेशन्स घेऊन आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, c1 ची व्हॅल्यू काढायचं, दुसरे टू इक्वेशन घेऊन c2 ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. इज इट राईट? लास्ट टू इक्वेशन, सी इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, मायनस dy by y is equal to dz by z minus 2y is equal to minus z dy plus 2y dy is equal to y dz. और त्याच इक्वेशनला कसं लिहू शकतो आपण, मायनस 2y dy is equal to y dz plus z dy. On integrating we get y square is equal to yz plus c2, and c2 is equal to y square minus yz. From equation 2 and 3 we know the equation 2, c1, and equation 3, c2. Now x square plus y square is equal to f of y square minus yz. This is the final answer. Now next example. So example number 8. Solve of y square minus yz, sorry, x square minus yz of p plus y square minus zx of q is equal to z square minus xy. Solution, same equation right here, y square x square minus yz of p plus y square minus zx of q is equal to z square minus xy. The auxiliary equations are, we know the, तुम्हाला auxiliary equation माहित आहे, dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. आता p q r ची व्हॅल्यू इथं पुट करायचं आहे. ओके, वी नो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ p, dx by s square minus yz is equal to dy by q is equal to y square minus zx is equal to dz by r is equal to value is z square minus xy is equal to first two equation dx minus dy upon y square minus yz minus y square plus 2z is equal to dy minus dz by y square minus zx minus z square plus xy is equal to dz minus dx upon z square minus xy minus x square plus yz. Or similarly dx minus dy by x minus y of x plus y plus z is equal to dy minus dz upon x plus y plus z of y minus z is equal to dz minus dx by x plus y plus z of z minus x. Dx by dy, denominator term is x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z get cancelled. Dx minus dy by x minus y is equal to dy minus dz by y minus z is equal to dz by dz minus dx upon z minus x. Integrating first two members, we get the value is c1 is equal to x minus y upon y minus z. Similarly, last two equation integrating, we get c2 is equal to y minus z by z minus x. The required solution is f of, you know the equation required solution, f of u comma v is equal to u comma v is equal to 0. F of c1 is equal to u and c2 is equal to v. Put the required solution is this final answer. Now नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण काय बघायचं, मेथड ऑफ मल्टिप्लायर्स. ओके, काय डाऊट असेल तर व्हॉट्सअपवर नंबर आहे, फोन करू शकता. सो स्टॉप हिअर अँड थँक यू, हॅव अ नाईस डे.